Good afternoon. I'm a first year student at University of Chittagong. Our university is famous for many things: the beautiful campus, the hills, the waterfalls, and sometimes even the snakes. But we are also known for something unique. We are the only university in Bangladesh that has its own shuttle train service, which thousands of students use every day to travel between city and the campus. Unfortunately, one major problem has remained unsolved for decades. Students simply don't know where exactly the shuttle is. The timetable exists, but in reality, shuttle often cannot maintain its exact schedule. If I have a class at 9 a.m. and the shuttle is delayed, I have no idea whether it's 5 minutes away or 40 minutes away. Should I even wait? Should I take another bus? Will I lose my attendance? Nobody knows. The problem becomes even worse during the monsoon season. Heavy rainfall, waterlogging, and the age of the railway infrastructure often forced the shuttle to stop unexpectedly between stations. Students waiting at the next station have no information about what is happening. Every day, thousands of students depend on word of mouth, random messenger messages, calling friends just to figure out where exactly the shuttle is. This wastes an enormous amounts of time, causes missed classes and missed attendances. Although different idea of tracking has been discussed over the years, students still don't have a single reliable real-time solution. That is why we built this. When a student first installs the application, we verified that they are a student of University of Chittagong. During onboarding, they choose their nearest station and the shuttle schedule they usually use. After that, almost everything becomes automatic. At the student's preferred time, the app simply asks one question: are you taking the 7:30 shuttle today? If the answer is yes, the student need to do anything else. As they approach the station and board the shuttle, the application passively collects anonymous location updates. We are not tracking a single person's phone. Instead, we are combining the GPS movement of many students traveling on the same shuttle. Because hundreds of students are moving together along the same railway line, we can construct the shuttle's movement by analyzing their collective location patterns. As more students participate, the estimated shuttle position becomes increasingly accurate. Filtering algorithm removes noisy GPS readings and continuously updates the shuttle position, movement direction, and whether it's currently moving or swaying. The result is a live map that allows every student to immediately see where the shuttle actually is instead of relying on guesswork. Now you might ask, where does Gemma fit in all of these? Gemma is not being used as a chatbot. It is not answering any question. Our backend already processes GPS data and identifies collective movement patterns. However, real transportation systems are messy. GPS signals fluctuate. Students enter and leave the train. Two shuttles can be operating at the same time, and movement patterns can suddenly change. Instead of hardcoding every rules for every possible situation, we use Gemma to interpret the changing operational state of the system. Gemma receives a structured snapshot of the shuttle's current movement, compares it with previous observation, and determines whether the shuttle is still moving normally, has it become stationary, whether the system needs to update its understanding of the journey. Its output directly updates on the application state shown to every student. In other words, Gemma helps transform noisy, incomplete movement data into a reliable understanding of what actually is happening on the railway track. Today, we are demonstrating this with simulated journey, but on the same architecture can operate with real-time student participation. Our vision is simple. A student should not have to wonder where the shuttle is before leaving home. Instead of thousands of students individually trying to find the shuttle every morning, the university community can collectively create a real-time view of the entire shuttle system with almost no manual effort. We believe this project can save thousands of student hours every semester while solving a problem University of Chittagong students has lived for more than decades. Thank you everyone.